Is your MetaQuest controller flying off into the distance or completely frozen in midair? It is incredibly annoying when you are trying to play and your hands just stop following your movements. Don't worry, I am going to show you exactly how to fix your tracking and get your controllers back in sync right now. Welcome back to TechVibes. I am your tech expert friend here to help you get your virtual hands working perfectly again. Most MetaQuest tracking issues happen because of lighting problems, blocked sensors, or simple battery glitches. These controllers rely on infrared LEDs that the headset cameras need to see clearly to know where your hands are in the room. Let's dive into the fixes. Step 1. Check your room lighting. If the room is too dark or has too much direct sunlight, the cameras cannot see the controller LEDs. Make sure you have even bright indoor lighting for the best results. Step 2. Wipe down the headset camera lenses. Use a dry microfiber cloth to clean the 4 tracking cameras on the corners of your Quest. A single fingerprint or smudge can cause the headset to lose sight of your controllers. Step 3. Replace the batteries with high-quality ones. Low voltage can cause the infrared LEDs to dim, which leads to tracking drops. Use fresh name-brand alkaline batteries for a stronger signal. Step 4. Unpair and repair your controllers. Open the MetaQuest app on your phone and go to Headset Settings. Select your controllers and choose to unpair them, then follow the on-screen prompts to pair them again from scratch. Step 5. Check for physical obstructions. Remove any silicone controller skins or covers that might be overlapping the tracking ring. Even a tiny bit of silicone blocking an LED can cause the controller to drift. Step 6. Clean the battery contacts. Use a small amount of rubbing alcohol on a cotton swab to clean the metal terminals inside the controller. This ensures a consistent power flow and prevents random disconnects. Step 7. Adjust your tracking frequency. In the headset settings, go to movement tracking and switch the tracking frequency from automatic to either 50 Hz or 60 Hz. Match this to the power frequency used in your country to stop flickering interference. Step 8. Remove mirrors and reflective surfaces. Large mirrors, glass tables, or even shiny TV screens can reflect the controller LEDs and confuse the headset. Cover these surfaces or move to a different area. Step 9. Clear your boundary history. Go to Settings and delete your saved boundaries. A corrupted Guardian map can sometimes cause the entire tracking system to lag or glitch out. Step 10. Restart the tracking service. If your controllers are totally gone, toggle the hand tracking setting off and on. This often forces the system to restart the camera-based tracking for both your hands and your controllers. Here is a pro tip for the most stable tracking possible. If you play in a very dark room or a large open space, buy an inexpensive infrared light illuminator. It floods the room with invisible light that only the headset can see, giving you perfect tracking even in total darkness. If you face any difficulty getting your controllers to track properly, please leave a comment below. I check the comments regularly and I will reply to you within 1 hour. If these tips got your hands back in the game, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. You are now ready for a flawless VR experience. I will see you in the next one.